When you dine out and are watching your calorie intake, here are some helpful tips to make healthier choices. Manage your salad dressings and sauces by asking for them on the side. This gives you control over how much you add to your meal. When ordering grilled dishes like fish or vegetables, request them to be prepared without butter or oil, or with minimal amounts. Opt for tomato-based sauces over creamy ones for pasta dishes. They're lower in fat and calories, and tomato sauce can count as a vegetable serving. Instead of sugary sodas or alcoholic beverages, choose water, diet soda, or tea. If you're indulging in dessert, consider sharing it with a friend to have the calorie intake. For soups, opt for broth-based options rather than cream-based ones, which are higher in calories. When side dishes are an option, choose baked potatoes or steamed vegetables instead of French fries. Keep bread or rolls plain to reduce fat and calorie intake, avoiding added butter or oil. Incorporate fruits and vegetables into your meals. They provide dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Lastly, listen to your body signals and stop eating when you feel full. Remember, enjoying your favorite foods in moderation is key to a balanced diet.